So, I know you probably can't see me very well. Let's take a look at the ball pythons. Here is Thor's head, and Aida's going down. Right, Aida. I don't know if you can tell the difference that they're kind of darker and lighter snakes. They're both normal ball pythons. I don't... whoa. Anyway, I was just showing these guys an update. This is what happens when you put two ball pythons around your neck. I do not do this with Alice, obviously. But anyway, Alice will be the next snake you see in this video. But this is a complete snake update. Complete animal update, rather. So what you'll first see, this will be a part one. Part one will be, I believe, all the reptiles and amphibians. Which amphibians I don't have many of. But, there's... Whoa, where are you going, Thor? That's Thor, and Aida's down here once again. Aida, coming to the video. Anyway, so here's your huge critter update. This is part one. Here's Alice. She's kind of like all over my person. So, like, I just wanted to show you her. Try and get her down here on the ground. There we go. You can see her beautiful white saddles there in the sun. I love that. Some orange, the fading orange on her tail. I actually just don't know how long she is. I just thought I'd bring her out to show y'all her. She's starting to dig in the grass over there. Let's go see her real quick. I said I want to make this a whole critter update video. And if I want to do that, I can't have too much video. Because that's a lot of critters. Hi Alice, how you doing? She's looking absolutely gorgeous and stunning. But yeah, see there's my hand compared to her head. I guess that kind of gives you an idea. But yeah, there's Miss Alice for you. Well, here we have Athena. She is looking really stunning in the sun. Way better than the lighting in my room. For anyone who can identify corn snake morphs, like, someone tell me, what is she? Exactly. I bought her as a blood red, but, I mean, she is starting to thin out on her sides and the colors are washing away. But is she blood red or is she something else? That's what I bought her at, as a blood red. So anyway, here she is. She's doing great. And she's definitely not going on the ground because I'm afraid she might try and crawl away from me. When she's an adult, and she's a lot, you know, when she's her full adult size. But yeah, right now she's just enjoying the sunlight on my arm. Hey Vincent, this is Vincent. Vincent Price, the albino hognose baby. Thought I'd show off these two. These two have been together 3 times together so far for about week-long intervals. But anyway, it was like 5 to 3-day intervals. So this bigger one here is Kali. This is the female. She is the same species as Sebastian here. They are both checkered garter snakes. So the Thamnosus marcianus, and I may pronounce those wrong. Anyway, so I'll kind of just show you the size and difference between these. She has the genes from both her parents for being albino, so hopefully we'll get a fair amount of albino babies. Hopefully these two have bred. It was only the 3rd breeding attempt that I saw them actually try to mate. So yeah, these two are very beautiful babies. I just wanted to show you them. Gorgeous babies. I think Popsicle's in shed. But you can still see she's got that nice orange. Which is the reason I have her, because of that nice orange. She's such a gorgeous girl. I just thought I'd show you her. She's doing good. She's also one of my little Eastern garter snakes. Here's my little old lady, Wajette. Another Eastern Garter girl. She hasn't eaten for me yet this spring. I'm really hoping that she'll take some fish at least this evening to get her started on eating, or at least a mouse. I am going to get her a fish. She did take one mouse really early, like when it started to get warm, even before the official day of spring. But I'm really hoping that she'll at least take some fish for me today. I'm probably just going to go ahead and give her fish, and she's being so finicky on mice again. She's very slowish right now. I think she's just really weak. I'm hoping she doesn't give up on me. Yeah. But she is the mother of the 3 remaining babies that I have left. I will link down below an unboxing video of Demigod. That friend received him in North Carolina. So, anyway, this is Wajette. Here's Faye down here. She's totally flipping out on me. Had to get her to calm down, see if she'll just sit there, even on your hide. Okay, and she should actually poke her head out right out to eat here. Let's give her a nice big old morsel of food. Usually she wants to eat. She isn't shed, actually. There we go. Yeah, she's not enthusiastic, I guess, because she's in shed, but there she is. So here's Prometheus. He's kind of dull. I don't know, he might be in shed as well. Where are you going? Where are you going? You can't get out. No. And I'm just showing you this to show that I am now currently, as you see me film the baby snakes, yeah. But I'm now currently put them on Aspen for when I'm going to be away. And we're going to go ahead and feed Prometheus. There you go, buddy. There you go, buddy. Yeah, so there he is. Here's Nolan. He's kind of just been displaying, craziness like, whoa, hi there, Ryan. So anyway, he's kind of crazy right now. I don't know what's up with him lately, but that's just him. Here's this little cutie. This is Sassafras. She is my baby little checkered albino garter girl. Yeah, there you go. She's got herself a nice small pinky mouse there. And I decided to do it this way with these smaller ones. I didn't want any risk of losing little babies outside. So this is showing all my snakes off and all my other critters off, plus feeding video. There you go. Look how fast she'll take that down. It won't take her long at all. Oh, she's going to eat slow. Of course, today I have her on camera. Figures. There's Ryan. Ryan is actually a 2-year-old, at least, Thamnophis sertalis male, and he has not grown any. You can kind of see there, right behind his eye on his upper lip, he's got some old scarring going on, and on the top of his head, you can kind of see the indent still on his head. It's still there. That's how I found him. So this is Ryan. He hasn't really grown much, and he's in a very bitey mood right now. There's my hand. There's my handgun next to it. It won't hurt if he bites me, but I don't prefer him to keep biting me all the time. He's just always like this. Yeah. Hi. Yeah, you gonna bite? You gonna bite? You're not gonna eat, are you? He's gonna get out. And there he goes. That's typical Ryan. I don't really get to hold him much because he's so flippin' spastic. He's like ridiculously spastic and musks a lot. Ooh, if you guys could smell this musk. Finally got him to calm down. And I am actually barely holding him. He's just kind of around my hand like that. So, there we go. There's Ryan for you. Yes, he is in shed, so he looks so pissed off right now. He just looks so humiliatingly pissed off. It's really actually adorable. Here's my little buddy. You gonna go digging? Here's Theo. These are night critters, so he, you know, he's not gonna be out here long. I'm trying to get a different angle of it without my shadow getting in the way. Hey Theo. Hi Theo. Here, look this way. No, you gotta look the other way. Here, look. Look this way. There we go. There we go. That's little Theo, my little leopard gecko. He was given to me. Where do you think you're going? I'll have to bring him back inside. He didn't like being... Where are you going? I'm crawling along with him. Anyway, I'll get him back inside. This is really crazy for him out here. You gonna go digging? You gonna go digging? Oh, he's so cute in the ground. But I'm worried he might get a little stressed out too. Yeah, I like that. So I'll bring him back in. Here's a solar panel. How long have I had you? About 2 years. You've grown quite a bit. Cheesy for the camera. No? Too close? So it's dark out here. But I just kind of want to get these videos done showing you how all the critters are doing. I can show you him in my hand. Obviously not. But here's solar panel. He's doing good. I'm pretty sure this is a boy. See, you want to see how fast he goes on the ground? Wait. Look, 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 look. Oh, that's so cute. Yep, let's get you back in though. Where are you going? Where are you going? He's a spiny social turtle, by the way, for those wondering. I had someone notice my turtle before and said they'd never seen a turtle like this. And yes, this is their tub right now. There is no pump because I haven't been able to. They need like a, well, I'm having pump issues, grounding receptacle issues. Is that what that's called? Anyway, this is dirty. It is a little bit dirty. I do clean this out periodically, probably twice a week now, just to make sure it stays clean. Once or twice a week. It's unfortunate that I have to do it this way. They're out here right now because I don't have room in my room. Space in my room. Hi, Skeletor. How you doing? Hi. How you doing, buddy? How you doing, good? He's also a hissy little turtle. He's the one I got at the Reptiles show not long ago. There was a video of him introducing new critters last year. This is Skeletor. He is a Mississippi map turtle. And hey, thou out. Yeah. So, now, this is where they are right now. And they're about to get fed. There's Danny Frog finishing up her meal. I didn't get on video. I wish I would have. She just kind of, just gently grabbed the mouse at the tip of the nose and started swallowing, which is really kind of cute because she used to be just really kind of quickly grabby the food, but now I think that she's getting bigger. She's just kind of lazy. Yeah, you're kind of lazy, aren't you? There's all that muddy grime off Danny Frog. Yay! Here's James, my last remaining male G-Frog. I did have two at one point, but he's my baby here. He hasn't been eating for me. That's not good. So, yeah, anyway. There's James. Hopefully he'll eventually eat. Here's Frida Frog, fat and healthy as ever. And her companion down here. Oh, you can't see her very well, but there's Dottie. Here's some crazy chickens. We got Rosie in front there. Oh, someone's about to fall. They're all trying to get these leaves and bugs off the leaves, I reckon. What do we got over here? I can't tell. Oh, Raptor's here on the right, and then Peregrine's over here on the left, and then of course here's River. So all my chicken ladies, well, my last 4 are still doing really awesome. There's Penny up top here. Chickens are complaining. And down below, he's underneath the... This is supposed to be their hide area, but they really don't use it. I've only seen Penny use it. Well, let's see if I can get him to come out. What are you doing there, buddy? Huh? I'll just leave him alone. I won't really bother him. But yeah, he's underneath there. So, this is the pigeons. Oops. And I put this tarp up today. I think the water will run off it since it is slanted. But yeah, this is just so they don't keep getting their food wet, because they don't really eat it if it's wet, I've noticed. So anyway. Hi, Penny. Okay, so that's the end of part 1. Check out part 2, which includes all my arachnids.